Antiad.
Oh, si Oliver. Just relax.
This. Kala na. Iniwan. Iniwan na si Antiad.
Sasakyan. Biyaan na. Nabiyaan ko. Ano ka man na? Oh, sige. Thank you. Kaya nga rin namin kayo magkasami. Yun yan natin. Ingat ka dyan. Oh, sige. Kaya wala ko yung signal. Oh, thank you.
Dito na sila.
Asa man nidapit. Onya, managot ro.
Antiad.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Are we gonna take picture first so they can
San Francisco Bridge.
use the right?
Ang dami ko pala. Oh, yan na sila, oh. Ay, Jojo,
Grand Golden Bridge.
Sure, Mama Joy.
No? Tahat. Hala.
Oh, ayun, oh, maganda dito. Ito lang yan, siya.
Alcatraz is there.
Susunod yung malay. Maya, susunod yun.
Kulmadi. Busy.
Oh, dala mi sa ano?
Antiad.
Golden Gate.
Oh, dala si Adelaida.
Ah, dahil sa dili na, sa Golden Gate.
Excited.
Oh.
Si Mang ko nasa likod na huli. Super pagi. Ang pagi. Majay. Ha? Hindi man. Ayun yung sa baba. Ala. Wala. May nabitaw. Ingkamot na.
Hindi mo pwede tayo. Ano ngayon? Kasi
Para
nila.
picture.
Turn.
Photographer.
Yan, maganda.
Sobrang lamig guys dito guys. Sa ano kami, San Francisco Golden Gate.
Eh, akala namin ugma sa
Pupunta
private
kami
all day, makalakaw
Sa
na.
Pier 39 din. Kakain kami.
Kami.
It's 5 o'clock.
Mga puto ba kami?
San Francisco.
San Francisco. Budut. Budut.
The cruise that you take over to Alcatraz.
Alcatraz. This is the boat. This is the boat. Ah, this is the boat going to Alcatraz. Oh, we take picture her too. The boat going to Alcatraz. Ang diretsyon na. Ah, okay.
Kayo lang kasi malig sa picture. Oh.
Ayaw tayo picture ha?
Here, picture. Oh, dito po tayo sa Pier 39. Ah, okay. Visit here. Kunin mo yung Pier 39.
No, yeah.
Yeah, you take picture.
But that one when the ship, one way can you come at this one? $150. Because they get
Alcatraz dito, Jo. That's the Alcatraz. Oh, that's the what?
Oo.
Dito, Jo. Picture mo kami. This is the boat going to Alcatraz. Me and Joy. That's the Alcatraz.
Hala, 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 hala.
Dito, Jo.
Oh, that's why.
Kasi maiikot mo pag pag maikaw lang eh, no?
I've been there. Galing na ako ng Davao.
Golden Gate. Oh,
Oh,
yan.
yeah. Supposed to be this is
You want to go to Hard Rock first? You want to check
Maybe close already the hard rock.
Hindi, it's still open.
Oh, it's still
open pa.
Tignan mo, dito tayo nakikita pa yan.
Make possible the impossible.
Make the possible. Make the impossible possible.
Ah,
That's
call,
the golden
call for
gate.
the day.
That's our guest on board. This one.
Yeah.
This one, all the Chinese. That they're cruising for 20 days, you can imagine, Oliver?
Yeah, went cruising for 20 days.
Ikaw, Jo.
Sige lang.
Pamili na sa Emlan. Sinabi mo. Sige na, Jo, pagkuhan na para sa video.
Malit na. That's mine. The other one, the black one.
Need to offset the cost.
Yeah.
So you got to get one. Blingy, blingy.
Or magnet.
Big discount. $50.
$50. That's the ID.
Just your ID because me, I will not shy. Body always shy. So at least maybe it will pull ano. Hindi, may ano na sa ito. Ayaw ko kasi.
Hindi ako mag-i-down. Yung babae, maliit na niya.
Maliit. Hindi kaya sa mga dalahin.
Yung baon, mga ganito.
Buti, o diba? Hindi ako nahiya. Nahiya. Hindi ako lagi ang mag- Hindi ako nahiya.
Mahilig mo discount.
Ayaw
Ano naka-discounted? $50.
Ang laki. Ang dami na niyan. Ilang jacket? Apat.
Apat.
T-shirt.
For hard rock.
Hati man kami kayo. At yun ang maganda.
Over here guys, we're eating at the restaurant at seafood.
Different fish. Very different. Totally different.
Yeah.
Pahingat.
See you next couple man, huh?
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Madi.
Alright, thank you. So, what do you call it, son? How many months? 6 more months, right? 6 more months. April already.
Thank you.
Right? Okay, you go rest and tomorrow you can roaming around again. Or you just stay.
I'm going to sleep for a while.
Oh shit!
Yeah, we woke up late sometimes.
You got hurt?
Oliver, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Alright, take care.
Good to see you
Thank
guys.
you, Manny.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, thank you, thank you. Madyo.
Okay.
Thank you so
you.
much.
See, very hard because
Yeah,
we're working. Thank you.
Yung ano?
Okay.
Sige, thank you, Mana.